Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you must be fine. So today is day 15 and welcome to the senior KG all students and parents. Welcome kids, and here is the agenda of today. Today is Tuesday and the date is 28th July 2020. So let's begin greeting rituals, SCW time, rhyme session, numeracy, worksheet time, where we are going to do the counting by tens, fun with games. In this, throw a ball is the name of the game. Then the numeracy, we are going to do here sequencing numbers from 91 to 100, active exploration, origami fox, music and movement. Then comes the understanding my world. Watch a fun video on the concept of animal habitats. So this is all about today. So children, I want to welcome you all by the welcoming song. So are you ready, children? Yes. W, a letter which is warm, warm, warm. E for the even which is on. L, the love we have for you. C, collected from us all. Oh, how wonderful of you. M, for many things we do. E, enjoy yourself too. That is welcome from PJK and all. So children, welcome you all for the day 15 and let's begin the special skill of the day. So today's special skill is to wipe the plates during lunch or dinner time. So children, what you are going to do before lunch or dinner, you are going to wipe the plates and then with a clean cloth and then keep it on the dining table. And after completing your dinner or lunch, you are going to wash your hands properly for 20 seconds. See how the girl is washing her hands. Next comes the calendar, that is July month. This is 2020 year and in this month there are 31 days. So days of the week. Which day is today, children? Yes, tell me. It is Tuesday. Okay. So let's begin the recitation of days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Very nice, children. Next comes the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Very nice, children. You are doing very well. Then comes the weather. So see outside the window and tell your parents that how is the weather today? Sunny, rainy, stormy, cloudy or windy. Parents, don't forget to take the photograph of your child. So here comes the rhyme session and the first rhyme for today is are you sleeping? So are you ready, children, for the rhyme? Yes. Recitation of rhymes begins here. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. So do the repetition of the rhymes and practice it very well. So the next one is out in the garden, your favorite one. Out in the garden each fine day. With my ball I went to play. Out in the garden one fine day. With my ball I went to play. I bounce it right, I bounce it left, I bounce it well. On one fine day, out in a garden one fine day. With my frisbee I went to play. I flew it right, I flew it left, I flew it well. On one fine day, out in the garden one fine day. So now it's time for the third rhyme. So children, are you ready for it? Yes, the next time is 10 little firemen. 10 little firemen sipping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wing they go. Off to the engine, ho ho ho, using a big pipe, so so so. When the fire is out, home they go. Back to their bed, all in a row. Back to their bed, all in a row. Yes, let's begin. For the fourth rhyme, let's go for the fourth rhyme. There are bird nest in trees. There are bird nest in trees and hive for bees, kennel for dogs, and ponds for frogs. There are branches for birds and barns for horse, houses for cats and field hole for mice. Each has a house, yes, even a mouse. Each has a house, yes, even a mouse. Now it's time for recitation of numeracy like 0 to 100. So we have sent the video of recitation. Children, do watch the video and do the recitation of 0 to 100 with the video itself. Now it's time to know the number. So which card you can see on the screen? It is 9191. Do the repetition once again. 9191. That's correct. Now who will tell me the tens and ones place? 9 comes in the tens place and 1 goes in the ones place. That's correct. Now let's go for the next number. Yes, tell me which card it is, which number card it is. 9393. Very good, children. Again, recite with me. 9393. Now tell me the place value. Come on. Yes. So 9 comes in the tens place and 3 comes in the ones place. Absolutely right, children. Now it's 100 100. So you can see 3 numbers here. 1, 2 and 3. Yes. Now what to do, children? We have 3 houses here. Okay. The first one is hundreds place. The next one is tens place. And then last one is ones place. So 1 will go in the ones place, hundreds place. Yes. 0 will go in the tens place and the last 0 will go in the ones place. So 100. One more time we will do the repetition. 1 will go in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place and the last 0 in the ones place. Yes. So you have seen this house. This is a house of hundreds, tens and ones. So when we have 3 numbers, we need 3 doors. We need 3 places for each number. We need 3 places for each number. Isn't it, children? So first one is hundreds place, then the tens place and the ones place. So tell me, now we are going to say the place value from 91 to 100. Okay. So 9 comes in the tens place and 1 comes in the ones place. Next number. 9 comes in the tens place and 2 comes in the ones place. Next. 9 comes in the tens place and 3 comes in the ones place. That means 9393. Next one. 9494. So where does the 9 go? 9 goes in the tens place and 4 goes in the ones place. That's right. Come on. 9595. So 9 goes in the tens place and 5 goes in the ones place. Next number. 9696. 9 goes in the tens place and 6 goes in the ones place. Now you tell me. 9797. Yes, children? Yes, that's right. 9 goes in the tens place and 7 goes in the ones place. So next is 9898. 9 goes in the tens place and 8 goes in the ones place. Absolutely right. You have to do the repetition after me. Next number is 9999. 9 goes in the tens place and the next 9 goes in the ones place. Now there are 3 digits. 100, 100. So where will the extra digit go? 1 will go in the hundreds place, 0 will go in the tens place and one more 0 will go in the ones place. So 100, 100. 100. Okay, children, have you got it? So let's go for the fun with games. Children, are you excited to play the fun games? Yes? Very nice. Come on. So let's see what we have to do, children. Here in this game, you have to crush the papers, okay, the newspapers or any paper available at your home. You have to crush them and make a ball, okay, and then you have to throw the ball, that is the paper ball, in the basket or a bucket, okay, and that bucket you have to keep at a distance, okay, a little bit distance, maybe 5 foot, okay, away from you, and then you have to throw the paper ball in that bucket or the basket. Yes, and you have to do it very properly. You have to play very properly, okay, to go the ball in that bucket. Correct. The game is very easy. Play it and click the photograph of yours, take the video of yours, and send it to me. So next one is numeracy. It is day 15 and sequencing of numbers. So what you have to do, parents, encourage your child to write 91 to 100 on a blank paper once in its proper sequence. Okay, do it once, 91 to 100. They have to write 9191 till 100. Okay. The next one is fun time. Encourage your child to arrange the below number pattern tiles in the right sequence. So you can draw or you can make a paper stencil, okay, or the card sheet stencil, and you have to make 10 stencils. The first one will be of one, the next one will be having two circles, then the next one will be having three circles. The stencils, different stencils it will be. You can see here the picture on the screen, and then you have to mix it up and you have to tell your child to arrange it from 1 to 10 numbers, right? The game is very simple. So the next activity is encourage your child to recite numbers from 1 to 100 and to count and write the missing numbers in tens place. So you can see here, I will show you the first circle. It has, you have to jump by 10. So 10, next comes 20, next comes 30, 40, and here 5 is written. So you have to write here 0, that means 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That means this is a chain of jump by 10. Okay, you have to jump by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is the way you have to complete this activity. The next one is rhyme time, and you have to sing this rhyme. I have already sent it to you, and the tune is 91 to 100. You have to recite. The counting numbers is so much fun. 91 to 100, and then we are done. Counting numbers is so much fun. 91 to 100, and then we are done. The sequence always like this, like no number can be ever miss. This is the rhyme you have to sing. The sequence is always like this. No number can be ever miss. We cannot miss any number, isn't it? We have to go in a sequence, in a certain order. Okay, follow a certain order. So children, this is the tune you have to, you can form any tune of your choice, parents, and you can make the child to recite the numbers from 91 to 100. So the next one is, yes, we will do the repetition once again. 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95. Children, repeat after me. 96 96, 97 97, 98 98, 99 99, 100, 100. That's correct. So this is the worksheet displayed on the screen. I have already shared to you. Now what you have to do, first you have to write here your name, okay, write the date and class in which you are. So then afterwards count by tens and write the missing numbers. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to fill the missing numbers, and it is jump by 10 or count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, 100. Again, you have to do the same counting here also. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's right. So this is the way you have to complete the worksheet. So let's move for the next one, active exploration. And in this there are two activities. This one is the origami fox. So read the instructions which I have already sent to you. The poster has been sent to you. That video has been sent to you. So go through it and prepare the origami fox out of the blank sheet of paper. The next one is music and movement. And what you have to do in this, you have to listen to the music and you have to do the actions according to the music. So there is a music and the cartoon is singing the song, and you have to do the dance. And when the person tells you to freeze, then you have to stop. And when release, then you have to do the action according to the person telling you. Okay, so what they are telling you to hop and then to skip. So do the actions according to the song. The next one is understanding my world, and in this concept of habitat, it is given. So I have sent the video. See the video sent to you and go through it. And what is a habitat, children? A habitat is a place in nature. So plants live in habitats, animals live in habitats. Some animals make homes in their habitats. Okay, so there are living things and non-living things in habitats. Both living things and non-living things are present in habitats. So what are living things? Like plants, animals, we human beings. Okay, we all are living things. And non-living things, desk, okay, chalk, rocks, water, dirt are non-living things. So plants and animals need air. So they are living things. Water, they need water, air, food to stay alive. So children, this and more information has been shared to you, and please go through it. Do the fun activity related to this habitat concept, and do the activities, and please do send it to me. So this was all about today's day, day 15. So do all activities. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.